Hey yo, what is up everyone? PvP Gamer here and I'm back with another video. And today we are here again, back on our little farm. Starting out, we're still waiting for this field to grow here. What we planted it last episode. Yeah, last episode. So we're waiting for that to grow. We need to throw some fertilizer down on it. We do have enough money for the fertilizer spreader, I think. But we are going to need a bigger tractor than this. This thing is it's not going to cut it for a while. So what we need to do is cut down some more trees. We're probably going to cut down like one or two more trees. Sell them before we get started today. That would seem like the best thing to do. Because we don't want trees. No, we want trees. We want to sell the trees. So it would seem, oh, I still have a tree that's left there. Let's cut down that one. That's right there. Shut off the engine so we're not wasting gas. Let's cut this tree right here. Yep. Alrighty. Timber. Alright, so from this tree and the tree that landed on, we should make like a couple of thousand. Well, I'm hoping we make a couple of thousand because we need a couple of thousand. Right now, I mean, we're pretty desperate for money, not gonna lie, not gonna lie. We are desperate boys right now, looking to make one or two extra dollars. And if I can actually, set this correctly, there we go. We want the wood on the trailer, ideally. We could carry it, but what's the fun in that? Oh God. See, this is why I suck at life. While I'm doing this, this is a good time to give you some channel updates. I'm pre-recording this like next couple of few episodes that you're going to see. Anything that's from the 8th to the 23rd is pre-recorded. Honestly, maybe like even the 8th to like the 25th. Anything you see then is pre-recorded. Because I don't got time for that. No, I'm busy for like a few weeks, so. Yeah, I'm sure y'all understand that content still needs to be done though. So that is what we are doing. We're making some content. Premium grade A content. So what am I planning on achieving this video? Fertilizing the fields and maybe buying a new tractor. That's my goals for this video. They're semi-good goals. I'm not going to talk near the wood processor because it's loud as all crap. You know, I keep this thing running like 24/7 and it's probably not good for my electric bill, but you know, or gas bill. Actually, it would be just running on gas. I don't think it has any lights, so. Woohoo, 300 bucks. We're making big money right now. What, this like a tree in a bit? We'll make like a good, what's a good goal before we start video? Or start the main meat and potatoes? Say 6,000 would be good. Go. In. Thank you. Let's go. Let's move this tractor. I'm gonna stop turning it off for real. We're going to go and check the catalog in the house. So we're just gonna leave this here. We're gonna sell that windmill too. I'm planning on it right now. But let's check catalog. Alright, tractors. We have this one, 65 horsepower. Could be good, could be good. These are too expensive. Too expensive, too expensive. Ooh, 78 horsepower for 15,000. What was... Oh yeah, no, that's too expensive. This Fiat for like 9,000. I was talking to a dealership. I know this one had these two have a bit of issues. What I was really interested about is this Farmel X60. Because if we just flip to this, it's 60 horsepower. So just under this. But we open up the page here. We got the weights, which will probably add at least 164 kilograms. We'll want the wide axle here. Everything else doesn't really matter. Fenders, do we want fenders because they're free? Yes. Oh. 73 horsepower. $6,000. Should we buy this today? Hold on, let's go and see how much this spreader is. We got this one, which is $750. Ooh. 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 $750 or oh damn. We would go with the $750 one. Because it has a bigger working with. And then the extra 1,000, so that's like 6, 7, 8, 9-ish thousand. You know what? We're doing it. We're doing it today, boys. We're getting a new tractor. Okay. We're going to try get a new tractor. Apparently I'm strong boy. I'm getting people out to take the windmill. Windmill's being taken. You know what? Let's be cheeky. Let's be cheeky here. You know what we're going to do? We're going to cut this down, right? And we're going to just cut it up and carry it over. Because that's the less fuel that we're wasting, right? We're going to be smart about this. So I was looking at the price. You know, we could sell buildings on our farm here and like actually make bank and like actually not be in debt. Well, we're not in debt, but like not be broke. You know, wouldn't that be nice? But I think every building here I actually legitly need. Which I know is crazy, but you know. Like, I need a place to live, I need a place to sell wood. Um, I need a place to get water from the lake, and for them bale storage. I mean, they're rusty silos, but they work. Honestly, they might still have grain in them. Actually, I don't know, I never looked in there from the previous owners. So they honestly might still have grain in them. And we can buy the tractor now. We're honestly only going to need a few more trees. What do we say we need? Like 8,000, 9,000? It's not terribly horrible. Those are little pieces. We pick them up later. Little pieces aren't the biggest of our concerns right now because we need the big chunky boys. So what we're going to do is get them said big chunky boys. Make sure all these branches are cut off here. So we don't want no branches because they just get in our way. So this is a really tall tree. This is a big boy tree. This tree alone will probably make us at least 1,500. At least that's what I'm hoping for. If this doesn't make us 1,500, I'm going to be a tiny bit upset. By the way, we could put that down. I just thought about that. I think it goes under the trailer, like it hooks on under. So yeah, we should have did that earlier. Another thing that we need to do is, I think the weeds should be fine for this year in the field since we just plowed it up. Next year we're going to need a weeder. That's pretty much a for sure certain thing that we're going to need. Because weeds are not good on a farm, especially in a field. I cannot move. I am stuck. Please help. Oh my god. Excuse me, sir. Sir, excuse me. Sir. Sir, let me go, sir. Thank you, sir. Alright, note to self. The trailer wants to eat me. So don't get too close to where the trailer can harass you. Next video, is this farm haunted? Question mark, question mark. We find out the truth. You know, I really hope this farm isn't haunted. It's like if this farm's haunted, I might just have to like dip out of here, I'm not gonna lie. Ain't nobody got time for that. Where is the rest of this big ash tree? Here it is. Is this the biggest tree we have cut down so far? I feel like it is. I feel like we have a lot more of these bigger trees that we could have been cutting down this entire time. There's still more. There's definitely still more. I don't know how my tractor is going to like me after this. Then again, we're getting a new tractor today. We're not selling this one though, because we need it. As much as I would want to sell it, because money's a thing that I need still. We still need this tractor, sadly. I mean, this tractor is going to be the wood tractor. We're going to use it to go and sell wood, like we're doing now, unless we get a bigger trailer. Once we get a bigger trailer, then, you know, we might not be able to use it to sell wood. Eventually we'll sell this tractor, just not in the immediate future. Or, I don't know. The thing about the tractor that we're getting is that it has more horsepower. And you know what? We need more horsepower because this only has, like, if I'm correct, 23 horses. Now, I could be wrong on that number, but I believe it's 23. Either way, I don't know how it seeded as well as it did, but the seeder was from the same company, made for this model tractor. So that makes sense. By the way, this is overloaded, and I don't know if I'm going to make it back without... Oh, it's not wheeling. That's the other thing, our new tractor has bigger weights on the front. So, well, our soon-to-be newer, older is not very new, actually. It is a little bit newer than this tractor, and this tractor is not new at all. By the way, we are drifting. You ever want to see a tractor drift? Here is your chance. Welcome to our drift competition here at PvP Gamer, where all we care about is drifting. Just kidding. Even though we lost a log, and I don't know where that is. But we're here with all these logs, and at the end of the day, the log that we lost was very small. I hear that a lot. Let's get all these small boys out of the way. Small boy, get in there. Ruh-roh. Alright, now for one of these chunky boys. It's their turn. Alright, so by the end of today's video, we'll probably be left with no money. Even though we're starting off hard grinding. For money. I mean, there's multiple ways to grind for money, but, you know, the tree grinding method we're taking today. Well, yes, we decided to go with the tree grinding method because it's the more ethical route. I could have time-lapsed this. Tell me if you guys like the time-lapses or the commentary. I mean, when we're seeding or fertilizing or something like that, time-lapse. But if you guys like the commentary for the logging, there's that little sneaky bitch that we lost. If you guys like the commentary for the logging, we can definitely do that. By the way, we need to walk to the store. I think we're going jump cut because I don't know if I have the mental capacity to talk the entire way there. By the way, we have like two more round bales of silage and all the other bales don't pay jack shit. So they're really not worth selling and taking the time out of my day unless I have a big trailer. But nevertheless, let's hope we get there before it's night because it's been 2 days since we planted, and I think on the third day it germinates. And I want to get a fertilizer state down. But I'm gonna shut my ass up and jump cut. So I'll see you guys at the store. Yee I see the store. Alright guys, we're here. So it took a few minutes, not too long though. Let's go inside, let's talk to the mans inside. Hey mans, how you doing? I want your stuff. Specifically, I want this tractor. Give me. We're gonna go with this weight to start out with. Tricycle front's not ethical for our standards. Oh, twin wheels. Let's not do this. Let's just go back. Roll it back, roll it back, roll it back. There we go. I don't care. Give me the clamshells. Give me good old. Hey, what? Hey. I don't want to pay money on tires. Yes, thank you. Try and get more money on me. Broke out is, man. Should we just say screw it and go with 3? So yeah, let's just screw it. Bye. Yes, okay. Next thing's next. This thing, which has a required horsepower of... Shit. Has a required horsepower of... We don't know. You know what? It should be fine. I mean, it's small and main color red, obviously, to match all of our other stuff. Design, both covers, we don't need attachers, and everything's free, so buy. Yes, now we need a pallet of... Oh wait, I'm stupid. We need a big bag of fertilizer. Solid fertilizer. Buy. Yes, okay. And we have no more money, but we have a new tractor, which is really all that matters. And that's smaller than it looked. Alright. New tractor. Let's turn on. Once all these loud ass cars go and drives by. It's like an entire interstate out there, man. Alright, we get it. Oh, alright. Didn't know if it was going to turn on there for a sec. Ooh. Ooh. I likey. This is a really big tractor for what it looks like. I'm putting that out there right now. Pick it up. Let's get them loaded up. We're gonna have to come back with the trailer for that. This thing goes 19, I think they said 19 miles per hour. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're off and away, guys. We're making progress in our farm lives here. Now remember, it's 60,000 for that harvester. And we need that. Sadly. Yeah. We're kind of far off of 60,000, but we did need to buy this tractor or we were going to get nothing done in the way of silage, which is what I want to do. I don't know, I want to bale it, but I also don't know if it's going to be ethical money-wise to bale and wrap. Actually, okay, let me phrase that. I want to bale, but I'm not going to be able to bale. Balers are expensive, and wrappers are expensive, and balers plus wrappers all in one are even more expensive. So we're not baling. We're gonna have to get a silage pit. But in other news, this seat is comfy. And that's all the other news I got. Yeah. But I mean, look at this thing. Look at this. This little fertilizer spreader fits so perfectly. In the catalog, it looked very big, and I was afraid that it was going to be too big, because I never have that issue. But let's see how it works. Let's see if I know how to turn it on. Apparently, we need to unfold it. Oh, there we go. Oh. Oh, shit. Alright. Should be time. Alright, guys. We're moving at a solid 8 miles per hour, and we're using barely any fertilizer, and I was planning on time-lapsing, but, we're, like, halfway done the field. Like, for real. Halfway done the field, basically. So... yeah. About that time lapse, guys. We're not doing it because you guys will hear like a millisecond of a song. So you get watching real time with me. How you doing? Welcome to Spreading with the New Tractor and New Spreader on a semi-new field. How you guys doing today? I'm your host, PvP Gamer. I would be bad at a podcast. If I ever think of doing a podcast, you guys need to be like, fuck no, don't do that. You're going to suck. And I'm going to be like, yes, I 100% agree. I'm a retard. Oh, wait, shit, I can't be saying that on YouTube. I'm a dum-dum. Big dum-dum. Big time dum-dum. It's getting dark. The good thing is that we are going to get something achieved today, because we already have. And that's a first. Achievement in this series is a very good thing. Even though we're broke, and I don't know if we're going to make enough money to buy that harvester. In other news, we don't have to spend a lot more money on fertilizer because this thing uses none. And it's fertilized. So should we go? No, we're not going to go to sleep yet. Sleep is for the weak, unless you're me, and it's just because it's dark and you don't want to sit in the dark. So we're going to put this spreader We're just going to back everything up here. Boom. We're going to lower it. Heck yeah, man. Detach the PTO and detach that, and we're just going to turn this off now. Because I think that this tractor is a tiny bit too big for this trailer. Just a smidge. Oh my god. No, I mean, you can see how this gets 75 horsepower. Look how big this is a big, I mean, look at this comparison. 23 horsepower gasoline engine, 75 horsepower diesel. There's you can see a difference, right? Yeah. So let's some more trees. It's getting dark. We have headlights though. We have a backlight too. That tree. I want that tree. That tree looks good. What should be our goal for money wise to end the episode? Should we get a goal up where we left off, or should we get a goal to get even more money than where we started? That I think fell on my tractor. Nope, nope, they missed my tractor, I think. So we started off this episode with 3,000? 3,000. And we're going to end off with 4,000. Don't quote me on that. We're going to aim for 4,000. That's what we're going to do. Alright, one big boy tree cut up. We're going to load it on and we're going to get it sold. So this tractor, I think we'll use it for the cedar and for wood. I think everything else is going to have to be the new tractor that we just got. I cut it too long again. I think the new tractor is just going to just be our best tractor, which makes sense because we just bought it. And if we bought a worse tractor than the one that we have right here, that would genuinely not be good. Oh no. Oh no, the trailer got me again. Okay. Whew. I don't think this tractor likes that ball new tractor. It got jealous. It's jealous, man. I'm telling you. It's like, I saw you drive in with this new tractor. You're talking a lot of smack about me now. I'm gonna make you pay with harassing you and making you stuck. I think that's precisely what it's doing. It's making me pay for my words. Which is not a good thing. We don't want that. If I have to think about what I'm saying, we might not have videos anymore. I'm just kidding. I know how to think about what I'm saying and say responsible things sometimes. Who do you take me for? An idiot? 'Cause that's what I take myself for. Haha, low self-esteem. Just kidding. I would hate just sitting in my room doing nothing. I don't know how I would live without video games for real. Being like dead truthfully honest with you guys. I think that's like the same for everyone. If there wasn't video games, what would we do? Like, let's be real here. Like, if our like parents didn't like, yeah, I like video games on the Commodore 64, would we be here today? These are the questions. These are the real questions. It's getting really dark. And this is superb levels. Oh, crap. I mean, the light still. Oh, there's concrete broken up all around it. I mean, Ferguson, man, they create nice tractors, but you know, it's just not the best performing ones out of the bunch. That had to be like a old stock or like a used tractor that they were doing something to. They got it. They're like, we need to get rid of this. The one that we just bought. And that's why it was so cheap, because no one else lives around here. And they weren't going to make any money off it anyway. You guys probably can't hear me. Alright, so I said earlier that I want to end at, what, 4,000? Yeah, that's not happening. It's just getting a bit too dark out, and I mean, there's this one log here that I better get out of my way before I forget to run it over and somehow flip a tractor. But, yeah, $13. We are selling that. I think they said they would buy it for like around 400-ish dollars. Something like that. So, that'll be 2,900, and plus at the start of the next episode, we're going to go and get the crate of fertilizer. So that will be, well, we'll bring them 2 silage bales down, so that'll be what, like one and a half, $2,000. So all in all, we're making money. But hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day, guys.